Here is a wonderful 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Grand Cherokee keeps you safe, connected, and entertained while you explore your world in confidence and refined luxury. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, backup camera, Woodgrain Interior Trim, keyless start, satellite radio, fog lamps, V6 cylinder engine. Take control of the journey in comfort and style. Get into the Grand Cherokee.